Thank you for being here, and welcome back to another episode where we uncover fascinating stories behind the everyday foods we eat. Today, we're diving into the vegetable that adds color, crunch, and flavor to countless dishes. Bell peppers. These vibrant veggies are as nutritious as they are delicious, and they come with a history that's just as colorful as their skin. So grab a seat as we explore the origins of bell peppers, their top producers, the health benefits they bring to your table, a couple of easy recipes to try at home, and even some fun facts about this versatile vegetable. Let's get into it. Bell peppers have been cultivated for thousands of years in the warm climates of Central and South America. Indigenous people of these regions grew various types of peppers, including the sweet, non-spicy variety we now today call bell peppers. Over time, these colorful vegetables spread to other parts of the world, becoming staples in cuisines from Europe to Asia. Today, bell peppers are a global phenomenon, appreciated for their crunchy texture, bright colors, and sweet, mild flavor. Whether you prefer them green, red, yellow, or orange, there's a bell pepper out there for everyone. But how did these peppers make their way across the globe? It turns out their widespread appeal owes much to their adaptability, thriving in different climates and soils. And now, several countries lead the world in producing these culinary gems. China. Dominating the global production of bell peppers, China grows more than 40% of the world's supply. The country's extensive agricultural industry has made it the leading producer of many vegetables, including bell peppers. Mexico. With its ideal climate for growing peppers year-round, Mexico ranks as the second largest producer. Mexico is also the leading exporter of bell peppers to the United States, where they are a staple in everything from salsa to salads. Turkey. Turkey rounds out the top three, with bell peppers playing a central role in Turkish cuisine. From roasted peppers in mezze platters to peppers stuffed with rice and meat, they're an essential ingredient in many Turkish dishes. Bell peppers may be grown all over the world, but did you know that not all bell peppers are created equal? There's a variety for every palate and even has its own unique flavor and use in the kitchen. Let's explore the top 3 varieties you should know about. Red bell peppers. These are the fully ripened version of green bell peppers, making them sweeter and more nutritious. Red bell peppers contain more beta-carotene and vitamin C than their less mature counterparts. In fact, just one red bell pepper provides over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. Green bell peppers. Green peppers are harvested before they are fully ripened, which is why they have a slightly bitter taste compared to the sweeter red, yellow, or orange varieties. While they are not as sweet, they are still packed with nutrients and are great for adding crunch to salads and stir-fries. Yellow and orange bell peppers. These varieties are like the middle ground between green and red peppers. They're sweeter than the green, but not as sugary as the red, making them a versatile addition to both raw and cooked dishes. Their bright color also makes them a beautiful garnish for any plate. No matter the color, all bell peppers have something in common. They're incredibly healthy. Let's take a closer look at some of the health benefits bell peppers bring to the table, backed by science. Bell peppers are not just a colorful addition to your meal, they're also a nutritional powerhouse. Here are 10 health benefits of including bell peppers into your diet, along with studies that support these claims. One of the most impressive aspects of bell peppers is their high vitamin C content. Just one medium red bell pepper provides more than 150% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, vitamin C is essential for immune function and reducing oxidative stress in the body, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases. Bell peppers are packed with beta-carotene and lutein, compounds that are essential for eye health. Research published in the Archives of Ophthalmology suggests that a diet rich in these nutrients can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss. Bell peppers are incredibly low in calories, about 30 to 40 calories per cup, while being high in fiber. This makes them a perfect snack for those looking to manage their weight without sacrificing nutrition. A study in the Journal of Nutrition supports the idea that high-fiber, low-calorie foods can aid in weight management. They are loaded with antioxidants. Bell peppers contain a range of antioxidants including quercetin, capsanthin, and luteolin. all of which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. According to a study in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry, these antioxidants are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Improved skin health. The combination of vitamin C and vitamin E in bell peppers supports collagen production, which is essential for maintaining firm, youthful skin. A study from the Journal of Dermatological Science suggests that consuming vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and improve skin texture. Boost immune function. The high levels of vitamin C in bell peppers also boost immune function, helping the body fend off infections. Supports digestive health. Bell peppers contains about 3 grams of fiber per cup, which is important for promoting healthy digestion. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that fiber helps maintain regular bowel movements and support a healthy gut microbiome. Improves iron absorption. Eating bell peppers alongside iron-rich foods can help enhance iron absorption. The vitamin C in bell peppers helps convert plant-based iron into a form that's easier for the body to absorb, according to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Bell peppers are particularly high in lycopene, a carotenoid that has been linked to a lower risk of certain cancers, including prostate and lung cancer. A study from the Journal of Clinical Oncology found that diets rich in lycopene may protect against the development of cancer. Finally, hydration boost. Bell peppers are made up of 90% water, making them a super hydrating food that's perfect for keeping your body refreshed. Proper hydration is key to maintaining essential bodily function like regulating temperature, keeping joints lubricated, and delivering nutrients to cell. Eating hydrating foods like bell peppers help maintain your skin's elasticity and can combat dryness, especially during hot weather and after exercise. With so many health benefits, it's no wonder bell peppers are a staple in diets across the globe. Now let's take a look at some delicious ways to incorporate them into your meals. Bell peppers are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Whether you're roasting, stuffing, or sautéing, here are 2 easy recipes that make bell peppers the star of your meal. Stuffed bell peppers. This dish is a classic for a reason. Start by cutting the top off your bell peppers and scooping out the seeds. Then stuff them with a mixture of cooked quinoa or rice, protein of your choice, sautéed onions, garlic, and your favorite spices. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until the peppers are tender and the filling is cooked through. Top with a little cheese for extra flavor and serve with a side salad for a complete meal. Roasted bell pepper soup. For something warm and comforting, roasted bell pepper soup is a must try. Roast the red bell peppers until the skin is charred. Peel them and blend with sautéed onions, garlic, vegetable broth, and a touch of cream. The result is a velvety, slightly sweet soup that's bursting with flavor. Serve with a crusty piece of bread for dipping and you've got a hearty, satisfying dish. Whether you're stuffing them, roasting them, or tossing them in a salad, bell peppers are as versatile as they are nutritious. But before we wrap up, let's finish with some fun facts about this colorful vegetable. Bell peppers are technically a fruit, not a vegetable. They belong to the nightshades family, which includes tomatoes, eggplants, and potatoes. Unlike spicy peppers, bell peppers have zero capsaicin, the compound responsible for heat in chili peppers. That's why they're sweet and mild, making them an ideal for people who don't enjoy spicy food. Red, yellow, and green, bell peppers are all the same pepper, just at different stages of ripeness. Green bell peppers are harvested earlier, while red ones are fully ripe. The difference in ripeness is what gives them their varying flavors and levels of sweetness. Bell peppers are rich in water content, consisting of about 92% water. The bell pepper plant is perennial in warmer climates, meaning it can grow year after year. However, in cooler climates, it's treated as an annual plant. With all these fascinating facts and health benefits, it's no wonder bell peppers are a staple in kitchens around the world. But have you ever thought about growing them at home? Let's explore how you can cultivate your own bell peppers right in your backyard or even on your balcony. Growing bell peppers at home is easier than you might think, and it's a great way to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. Whether you have a garden or just a sunny window well, here's how to get started. Bell peppers come in many varieties, so choose the type you want to grow. If you're limited on space, look for compact or dwarf varieties that thrive in containers. You can either start bell peppers from seeds or buy seedlings from your local nursery. If starting from seeds, plant them indoors about 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Once the weather warms up and there is no more risk of frost, you can transplant your seedlings into a garden or larger pot. Make sure to space the plants about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them room to grow. Bell peppers need a lot of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours a day. Place your pot in a sunny spot where they can soak up the rays. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Bell peppers need regular watering, especially during hot weather, but be careful not to overwater. Use a balanced fertilizer once your plant starts to flower. This will help boost the production of healthy, flavorful peppers. Bell peppers can be harvested when they reach the size you prefer. Green bell peppers can be picked earlier, while red, yellow, and orange peppers should be left on the plant to ripen fully. With a little care and patience, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of bell peppers right from your own garden. Whether you eat them raw, roasted, or stuffed, homegrown bell peppers are sure to taste even sweeter. And there you have it, the colorful world of bell peppers. From their ancient origins in Central and South America to their place as a nutritional powerhouse in our kitchens today, bell peppers are truly a remarkable vegetable, or fruit if you're being technical. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they are as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. So next time you see these bright, bold peppers in the produce aisle, you'll know just how versatile and beneficial they are. And maybe you'll even be inspired to grow your own. Thanks for joining us today on this deep dive into bell peppers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insight into the foods we eat every day. Until next time.